WTI futures edged slightly higher on the opening. A little tentative, and perhaps the upside was capped a little bit by early strength in the dollar. Also, news flow from OECD that reduced global GDP forecast by 1%. And also news flow from China with 45 million residents currently in lockdown due to COVID. On the bullish side, Vortexa reported that tankers stationary at sea for 7 days dropped 11% week over week. The U.S. COVID 7-day average has dropped now to an 8-month low. And also, there's a lot of carryover still that inventories per the EIA are 11.8% lower than their 5-year average. Get into the bulk of our session today. Price action remained fairly volatile, but narrow, choppy range as it were. IEA came out with a report saying that the situation with Russia and Ukraine is an emergency situation, and the potential loss of Russian oil cannot be understated. And I am definitely paraphrasing. Goldman Sachs cuts Chinese demand for oil by 700,000 barrels a day, and their quarter-two average for Brent was sliced down by $15 a barrel. Also, just recent news flow from China that 50% of their flights from the 20th biggest cities have been canceled by 50% week between March 11th and 17th. And traders also continue to monitor any news flow from Venezuela, Iran, and or OPEC with regards to production. Look at options. I look at CME Group CVOL, looking at May on a 1-month basis, trading the 85th percentile, 3-month basis the 95th percentile. At the money, vols are basically unchanged on a day. Skew is higher as the call wing or up variance is up more than the down variance. Option volume pretty strong today. The 102 strike seeing a lot of volume. Also the 104 call and 100 put. Lastly, looking at CME Group E-Micro Mini Futures, volume very heavy today. Yesterday's volume from Thursday, 37,707 with open interest of 10,051.